Welcome to Next Level Tech. Wars define world history. Warplanes came into play increasingly important roles during the 20th and 21st centuries in determining the outcome of battles as well as being deterrents to aggression. Military aircraft came of age during World War II, and their utility for both military and non-military purposes expanded during the Cold War era and beyond. In today's video, we're going to talk about 7 insane military planes. If you don't want to miss a video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we post new videos. Let's get started. Number 7. Chengdu J-20. A single-seat multi-role stealth fighter aircraft, the Chengdu J-20 is manufactured by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group, CAIG of China. It is a 5th-generation aircraft being built for the People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAAF. Its NATO reporting name is Black Eagle. 2 prototypes were developed in November 2010 for aerial and ground testing. Potential customers of the J-20 are Pakistan, the Middle East, Latin America, Southeast Asia, and African countries. The Chengdu J-20 is designed to execute ground attack missiles even in hostile environments. The aircraft can reach higher altitudes with its delta wings in supersonic speeds. It is larger than Sukhoi T-50 and Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. The front portion of the prototype looks similar to the F-22 Raptor, and the rear section looks like a Sukhoi T-50. Number 6. MiG-21 Fighter. The Russian Aerospace Designs Bureau MiG-21 is lightweight and single-engine interceptor capable of flying at twice the speed of sound, was introduced in 1955. The basic version, which entered service in 1958, was a simple, low-cost day fighter that was highly maneuverable, easy to maintain, and able to operate from unimproved airfield. The Design Bureau produced more than 9,000 MiG-21s, as many as 32 versions for the air forces of the Soviet Union, and more than 40 other countries, and licensed a version for production in China. It became the principal high-altitude interceptor used by North Vietnam, and improved versions formed the backbone of Arab air forces through the 1970s. Number 5. The A-10 Thunderbolt II. The A-10 Thunderbolt II was designed exclusively to fulfill the Close Air Support (CAS) role from the outset, perhaps matched only in scope by the Soviet-Russian Sukhoi Su-25 Frogfoot. The terminology inherent in close air support was generally defined in a variety of ways by each respective nation, and perhaps further viewed differently by even individual commanders. The mission of the aircraft is ground attack against tanks, armored vehicles and installations, and close air support of ground forces. The A-10 is suitable for operation from forward air bases with short takeoff and landing capability. The aircraft has a long range, 800 miles, high endurance, and can loiter in the battle area. Number 4. Mitsubishi X2 Shinshin. Mitsubishi X2 Shinshin, also known as ATD-X Advanced Technology Demonstrator X, is a stealth experimental technology demonstrator and research prototype designed to demonstrate technologies required for Japanese indigenous fifth-generation fighter aircraft, designated F. NETMA, which is also the prime customer. The program delivers cutting-edge technologies for the European defense industry. Eurofighter Typhoon made its combat debut in 2011 for reconnaissance and ground strike missions in Libya by the Royal Air Force, RAF, and the Italian Air Force. Number 2. B-2 Spirit. The B-2 is a low observable strategic long-range heavy bomber capable of penetrating sophisticated and dense air defense shields. It is capable of all-altitude attack missions up to 50,000 feet, with a range of more than 6,000 nautical miles unrefueled and over 10,000 nautical miles with one refueling, giving it the ability to fly to any point in the world within hours. A product of the Cold War, it was originally designed to penetrate Soviet air defenses and carry both conventional and nuclear weapons. But shortly after its first flight over 30 years ago in 1989, the fall of the Berlin Wall ended the Cold War, and no B-2 has ever flown inside Russian airspace. One of the most sophisticated flying machines in existence, the B-2 can reach a target anywhere in the world and return to base, refueling in mid-air. No B-2 has ever been lost in combat. Number 1. The B-1B Lancer. The B-1B Lancer was developed by Rockwell International, and it is the U.S. Air Force long-range strategic bomber. It has the largest internal payload of any current bomber. The B-1B became operational in 1986. In July 2001, the U.S. Department of Defense announced plans to cut its B-1B inventory from 92 to 67 as a cost-saving measure. The first aircraft was withdrawn from service in August 2002. Following Operation Iraqi Freedom, it was decided that there should be 67 aircraft in the fleet. The remaining fleet operates from Dyess AFB, Texas, 38 aircraft, and Ellsworth AFB, South Dakota, 29 aircraft. The B-1B is expected to be in service until 2025. In May 2010, B-1 bomber completed its 25th anniversary of operations in Dyess U.S. Air Force Base. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments which plane you like the most. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video.